We're at the car meet, and it's not rowdy or anything. It's not loud or anything, but we're here. Oh, hold on. That was wild, but anyway, we're here. I believe Cap is on his way here too, so we will see him soon, and we'll look at the cars together. I didn't even get the little turbo spool on camera, bro. That man just scraped that whole thing right there. It's crazy. All right, let me show y'all these cars. Crazy. Crazy. Look at the carbon fiber on that thing, man. Y'all not getting the details. Look at this.
We'll now begin the push-up section. Ready?
Bro, what?
You man, turn me up.
I wasn't recording.
I got mine on my car too, but one of the ones don't work. Only one worked.
How do I do a flame kit?
It's easy, bro. Bro, here we go.
I tried a flame kit and my charger, I had a charger.
Yeah.
I fried my TCM.
It didn't work?
No, I fried the TCM.
You know, you plugged it up wrong. You plugged it up to something wrong then. You gotta plug it up to.
Because I'll buy the flame kit.
I'm gonna pull up over here. Hold on. Hold on. All right, y'all boys. So the whole time I was recording my video, and this thing about to hit my eye, bro. But I recorded my video in freaking slow motion the whole time, so y'all didn't get none of that unless I speed it up. But I'm about to move my car over there with my boys. What that been? Woo! That been what? That been hard. Ain't no way these niggas just pulled up, fam. No way these boys just pulled up, cuz. As soon as I get in my car and start it, these boys just pull up, fam. I can't even get out. Car blocking the way. Wow, bro. Come on. We can never have fun.
Your headlights are red, by the way.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, they are still. I just seen the reflection.
Let me change my headlight color before I get pulled over, bro. This is sad, cuz. This is sad, cuz. This is overly sad. Niggas can't even have fun no more, bro. Where my dogs at? Where my dogs at? Look at E. Look at E over there. And show y'all what these freaking cops got us doing, bruh. Niggas can't have fun no more. Niggas always gotta be grouchy and grumpy, bruh. Bruh, I'm about to get in trouble, fam. I got red freaking SRT light. Ooh, look at that BM. Bro, look at that M4. Cause niggas can't have fun no more. Niggas can't have fun no more, bro. What's going on, fam? They shut it down as soon as they got jumping.
Get your car, go.
Alright, buddy. Alright, buddy. Up. Up. Up.
We're not sure.
Alright, how many of you does it take to do that?
I'm his buddy.
Alright, so you stay and the rest of you get out of here. Well, I'm his buddy too. Get out of here.
Alright, yep, I'm out of here, boy. Everybody done pulled up to a racetrack. If there's a will, there's a way. You always gonna find a way. They can't, bro, they trespassed us from one place. We gotta go to another. That's how it works. If this is lame, I'm going home, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, nah, I might go home. It's just too much. It's too much cars here. It's not like it's freaking 76. If y'all know, y'all know. Gotta get them going. We gotta get going. I'm new to using this camera, y'all boys, so y'all bear with me. But anyway, it's been your boy Spot 30K, and we're out until I guess I pick up the camera again. I can't do no POV drive with this camera. All right, y'all boys, we're back. We're filming. And we are out to eat with our family, my family. So we're at Famous Dave's. It's Sunday fun day at Famous Dave's. We're gonna eat, stuff our bellies, and go home. We go double black on black.
What's up, vlog?
What's up? Luana, say hello to the vlog.
Hi, y'all.
$30, you get something cold to drink.
What?
If you spare a couple dollars, you get something cold to drink.
I'm gonna put cash on me.
Yeah,
I even got my water. I'm paying with Apple Pay, but if you want something to drink, I'll buy you something to drink inside. I don't even got my cash. I'm paying with my phone. But if you want something to drink, I'll get you something to drink inside. He don't want nothing to drink.
He don't want nothing to drink. Look, bro. That's...
You were truly hungry.
Yeah.
I
do that. I do that too. Like, if somebody asked me for... That's when the dude that was at Zaxby's had asked me if I can give him some cash for something to eat, I said I can go in the store and buy you something. And he went in there with me and I bought him something.
Yeah, that's nice. Like,
Yeah.
You chillin' wanted something to drink?
Yeah, for real.
It's a little raspy,
So,
but I got it.
my dad has a YouTube channel where he does food reviews and stuff, so y'all check it out. It's called Daddy and Daughter Dine. I can say that I got him into making content. I feel like seeing somebody do something over and over every day really like inspiring.
Fast is over, and we are ready to eat some meat. Me and baby girl, I got the wife with me. I got the son.
Yo.
I got my boy in the background back there.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
But yeah, we're at Famous Days. All right, I'm gonna actually pick y'all up later when we get in the
This girl is so
store.
selfish. She just want me and her to be on everything, man. She don't want nobody else to do nothing but me and her.
She's selfish and jealous at the same
Yo me repeat it to you. Daughter, no, it's daddy, daughter, dime. Not for everybody.
So I should be acting y'all. I wish she had that same energy in them videos.
All right, y'all. We're finally seated. What are you gonna eat, Ma?
I think I want some beef briskets.
Brisket?
Some cornbread.
I wanna know what you eat. You don't want no food.
I don't know.
You don't know?
I know what I'm getting. I'm getting some ribs. I'm getting some brisket. I'm getting some chicken. I'm getting some bacon.
Dang, you gonna order-
I'm getting some mac and cheese. I'm getting some corn.
You know you can't even- you can't eat that much.
Listen, I'm on the 21.
Oh!
Do you need to take them headphones off? That way you can't hear it. You got some music in your ear. You know how loud you were just then? the whole restaurant just heard you.
I'm gonna get some ribs. I know what I want. But yeah.
Alright, y'all.
Remember you got that.
Y'all, the food is here.
Thank you.
Can I steal that menu from you, my love?
Guys, so I am on my way, about to go back home, and I really have to poop. I just want to let y'all know. But alright, y'all boys, it's been Spot 30K. I will see y'all boys in the next video. Yeah.